This is Rocco. He's our 8-year-old tortoise, and he only really gets mobilized when it's lovely, warm and sunny. So today I'm going to take inspiration from Rocco and use the power of the sun to increase mobility. Okay, off you go. So come and find a bit of sun if you've got an outside space. If not, head towards your window and find your light. So follow me. Inhale. Arms raise overhead, have a good stretch up. Exhale, fold deeply from the hips, bending the knees if you need to. Inhale, come halfway up with a long neck and straight spine. Exhale, fold deeply again, let your head hang down. Inhale, come all the way up, reach those hands over the head, and exhale, arms down by your side. 2 more times. Inhale, arms go up overhead, gaze at your thumbs. Exhale, fold deeply from the hips. Inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up, gaze at those thumbs. And exhale, arms down by the side. Last time. Inhale, arms overhead, really enjoy that stretch. Exhale, fold deeply, enjoy that stretch in your hamstrings, let your head hang down. Inhale, halfway up, straight spine, straight neck. Exhale, fold deeply. Inhale, come all the way up, and exhale, hands down by the side. This is a really good way to limber up in the morning, or if you've been sitting down all day, just to loosen everything up and stretch it out. Namaste.